Hey guys, in this video I'm reviewing the Razer Iskar V2. This chair promises a blend of premium design, ergonomic support, and the durability you would expect from a high-end product. If you're in the market for a gaming chair that stands out not for just its aesthetics but also for its functionality, stick around because I'm going to cover everything you need to know. Also, the link to this chair will be included in the video description below. Let's start with the design. The Razer Iskar V2 is instantly recognizable with its sleek black finish, subtle green accents, and the iconic Razer logo embroidered on the headrest. It's not just a chair, it's a statement piece for your gaming setup. The materials are top-notch with a synthetic leather covering that feels both soft and durable. Razer calls this multi-layered synthetic leather and is designed to withstand wear and tear better than traditional PU leather. The chair also features a high-density foam cushioning system. Unlike some chairs that rely on softer foam, the Iskar V2 opts for a firmer feel, which provides better support for prolonged gaming or work sessions. The foam molds to your body over time, ensuring a personalized level of comfort. Now, let's talk about one of the standout features, the lumbar support system. Unlike many gaming chairs that include a removable lumbar pillow, the Razer Iskar V2 has a built-in, fully adjustable lumbar support system. This isn't just a basic adjustment either. The lumbar support is engineered to provide precise alignment for your lower back, helping you maintain good posture. It can be adjusted to match the natural curve of your spine, which is a game changer for anyone who spends hours sitting at their desk. Another feature that sets the Iskar V2 apart is the recline mechanism. The chair can recline up to 139 degrees, which is perfect for those moments when you want to kick back and relax. The recline is smooth and feels stable, so you don't have to worry about any wobbling or instability. There is also a tilt function allowing you to rock the chair back and forth if you prefer a little more movement while seated. The armrests are another highlight of the Razer Iskar V2. These are fully 4D adjustable, which means you can move them up, down, forward, backward, and even rotate them. Whether you're typing, gaming, or watching a movie, you can position the armrests exactly where you need them for maximum comfort. The armrest padding is also well executed, not too hard, not too soft, and designed to provide lasting support. Now, let's address the build quality. The frame is made from steel, which adds to the overall durability and stability of the chair. The base is constructed from metal as well, ensuring it can handle up to 136 kilograms or about 300 pounds. The 5-point base is equipped with durable casters that roll smoothly on most surfaces, whether it's carpet, hardwood, or a gaming mat. The chair also includes a memory foam head pillow. This is a nice touch for neck support, especially during long sessions. The pillow is wrapped in a velvety material that feels luxurious and adds to the overall premium vibe of the chair. Now let's move on to the comfort factor. Comfort is subjective, but the Razer Iskar V2 leans towards the ergonomic side rather than plush cushioning. The firmer foam and the adjustable lumbar support make it ideal for maintaining proper posture. If you're someone who values ergonomic design over sinking into a super soft chair, you will likely appreciate what the Iskar V2 has to offer. That said, if you are transitioning from a softer chair, it may take a few days to get used to the firmer feel. However, once you adapt, you'll notice the benefits of the improved posture and reduced strain on your back. By the way, prices on this chair update almost weekly with sales and other general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, simply check out the video description and you'll find the latest prices. And of course, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. The Razer Iskar V2 is also surprisingly versatile. While it's marketed as a gaming chair, it works just as well for office tasks, content creation, or general use. Its design strikes a balance between the flashy aesthetics of a gaming chair and the professional look of an ergonomic office chair. It fits seamlessly into both environments. Now let's discuss the assembly process. Setting up the Razer Iskar V2 is relatively straightforward. The chair comes with all the necessary tools and an instruction manual that guides you through each step. On average, it should take about 20 to 30 minutes to assemble, even if you are not particularly handy. The parts fit together with precision and the overall build process feels like a premium experience. One thing to note is the price. The Razer Iskar V2 is definitely on the higher end of the spectrum when it comes to gaming chairs. However, it's important to consider what you are getting for that price. premium materials, advanced ergonomic features, and the Razer brand reputation. If you're someone who spends a lot of time at your desk, investing in a chair like this can be well worth it for the long-term comfort and health benefits. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick rundown of the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Razer Iskor V2 offers exceptional build quality, a unique and highly effective lumbar support system for the adjustable armrest, and a sleek premium design. The materials used are durable and designed to last, making it a great long-term investment. On the downside, the price might be a barrier for some, and the firmer cushioning might not appeal to everyone, especially if you prefer a softer, more cushioned seat. Additionally, while the chair is versatile, its gaming-oriented design might not fit seamlessly into all workspaces. So is the Razer Iskor V2 worth it? If you're in the market for a high-end gaming chair that prioritizes ergonomics and build quality, the answer is yes. It's a chair that's built to perform whether you are gaming, working, or doing a bit of both. The adjustable lumbar support system alone makes it stand out in a crowded market, and the overall attention to detail justifies the premium price tag. So guys, let me know in the comments, are you planning to pick up this chair or you will stick with what you already have? That's it for this video guys. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if this video was helpful, and make sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on this chair. See you in the next one.